Okay, so hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar. Let's start today's video. I hope that you have already have seen the thumbnail that what we are going to design. So let's start today's video. So in this video, we are going to design exactly the same thing that you have seen in the thumbnail. So let's start. First of all, we will start with the base part, for which we will take this top plane. Simply go and make one sketch. You can also right click on here and you will get an option for sketch. It's same. Now here we need to find a center rectangle. Here are actually multiple options for rectangle. I will tell you in another video. But let's start with center rectangle. Center rectangle is a easier option. Otherwise, you can also take this one corner rectangle, but that was a little bit tricky. Now come here and first let's define the dimension mmgs. Okay. Now here it becomes something like this, and we had selected the dimension after making the profile, base profile. So how? Simply go here on sketch and edit sketch. Right. Now go here and make this one. Let's make this one 50, and this one will also be 50. See, and go to extrude boss base. Extrude this one around 10 mm. 10 mm is fine. But in a what direction? Upward direction is fine. Now what? Come here. We need to make one more thing. Let's do it like this. Now, let's define the diameter of this one. Let's make this one 40. I think 40 is fine, right? Now what we need to do? Let me check. Yeah, it's 40. Simply go here and extrude boss base. Select extruded boss base and extrude this one around 30. Actually, 30 mm is fine. Let's make this one 25. 25 looks much easier. Yeah, it's 25. Now what we need to do? First of all, come here. What we need to do? We need to make some more parts here. So how? So come here. Uh, Go to front plane, because front plane lies exactly in the middle of it. You can also take right plane, but I think front plane is fine. Now what we need to do? Simply come here. From anywhere. Let's do it from here. This thing, and come here and complete the profile like this. Okay. Now come here. Select this one. Select this surface. This sideline. Yeah, this sideline. Make this one. Let's make this one 5. 5. And yeah, if this one is 5, then this one will automatically become 10. No need to do anything. The angle is also predefined. No need to do anything, which is 68.2. Simply means on okay. Now come here. Go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this one equally in both directions. Right? So simply select midplane. Actually, I also already had made videos on this kind of things, but this is a practice video, so you can understand what process I'm using for making different kind of models. And this one is a practice model. There is no intention to make this video, but this is just for practice model. So I can tell you that how can you make different models with the help of same command, right? So make this one 10. I think 10 is fine. Yeah, and 10 is absolutely fine. And make this one okay. Now here you see. We need exactly this one. Now come here, go to fillet, not fillet, circular pattern. Select this one and direction. I already had told you what you have to select in the direction. Select this one. Now here is you see S2. Let's make this one 6. Here you see 6. Let's make this one 8. Yeah, 8 looks fine. Make this one okay. Now here you see this is what we need. Now come here. Select this one. This time go here, select center one and make something like this. You do actually you don't need to make this one. Let's trim this thing. Simply select this circle and convert this as entity. This is what we need, because we are going to make a gap here, and then after this we will copy this thing with the help of this one. Wait, God, I'll tell you. Simply come here, find center rectangle. This time again center rectangle. Find a point, origin point But corner point, this is the corner point, this origin one, and make something like this. The dimension of this one is not required, only the thickness of this one is required, which we are going to take. And the thickness which we will give will be 4. 4. Okay, and make this one okay. Now, what we need to do, simply come here and trim this thing. No need to select this thing. Now, go to extruded cut. This time we need to select extruded cut and up to surface, because this time we are going to select surface and simply select this one. Now here you see this yellow part shows that how much area or how much part is going to cut, that I already had told you in my previous videos. Simply make this one okay. Now here you see we need something like this. Now again go to circular pattern, select this entity because this is the cut. Here you see cut extrude and make this one okay. Now here you see it get copied and simply make this one okay. Now here you see this is exactly what we need, right? Now go to chamfer. This time select chamfer, but before using chamfer, let's make a hole here. But come here again, make a use center rectangle, make a something like this and make this one 4. Also this one will be 4. Okay, and go to extruded cut, and now we had extruded this one around 10 mm, so the thickness is 4, the material thickness will be 4, so we are going to extrude this thing around 6 mm. So blind, make this one 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Simply select 6 and make this one okay. Now here you see this is what we need. Now come here. Now if you want to find out if that what is the diameter of this part, diameter of this part, then here is a option called markup. Let me check. Diameter rating, no, surface sketch feature equivalent. Yeah, you have to go to evaluate and you have to select this measuring tool, and when you will click this corner, this circle here, you see this become orange. Simply select this one. Now here it shows diameter is 40 mm and center 0, 35, 0 center. Okay, so diameter of this part, this cylindrical part is 40 mm. This is what we need. Now come here again, sketch, select this one, make a circle like this, and when this was 40, so let's make this one 36. We will make this one 36. 36. You can also make this one 30, it doesn't matter. Let's make this one 30. Now go to extrude cut again. Through all. There are multiple options. You can also go blind, and here is a this option. This simply drag this one downward direction. So with the help of this, you can customize the dimension. Here you can see there is a tape option coming up. There is a measuring tape. You can give the dimension. Here you see. You have to look at this one. Here you see this one is how this thing is changing. Now this one is for angle. Let me show you. Here you see. Can you see the angle is changing? Simply make this one okay. I will tell you this thing in another video somewhere, some other time. And make this one okay. Now here you see. This is what we need. So come here, chamfer. Now when you want to make chamfer on both sides, then don't need to select one by one. Simply come here and select the middle part. And here you see. This happened because it's given 10 mm. So let's make this one 4. Now here you see. When you change, it will also get changed. Make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what you need to do, you need to do nothing. So in this video we learn exercised a new model. Actually this is just a demonstration video that how can you create different kind of models with the help of what I had told you earlier. This for you practice. I only made this video just for practice purpose. So practice it on your own and subscribe the channel, and also please click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload any kind of new video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Also comment and follow me on Instagram. I will put the link of my Instagram in the bio and in the description, so you can go and check there. I used to upload my drawings and models. I will also upload the model of this one. Simply select here and select metal. This time we will select plastic. Here you see, here is the option for plastic. Can you see? Metal, printed, rubber, glass, fabric, stone. Here's the option plastic, and here are multiple options for plastic. You can select anyone. High gloss, touch this one. Simply select this one. Now here you see. You can choose any kind of material as per your requirement. But when you create a original part or a original model, then you have to be careful with this kind of things, because this is very important, and this decide that what will be the strength and what quality you are going to give to your customer, and dimension also required, which is obviously. So keep watching the video, subscribe the channel, and also click the bell notification icon. Bye.